Looking for professional quality, performance, and reliability? Set a new standard in every category with NorthStar. Take our professional-grade cold water pressure washer. Make light work out of most large-scale cleaning jobs, including washing semi-trucks and warehouse buildings. Built with premium components, like industrial triplex crankshaft plunger pumps and flat-free tires. Backed by the best warranties in the industry. Engineered and assembled in the USA using globally sourced materials and proven through thousands of hours of testing. NorthStar professional-grade cold water pressure washers have it all, so you can do it all. See for yourself why NorthStar cold water pressure washers are what you need for professional-grade performance and power. Only at Northern Tool.